Has now been sworn in the Delphi murders trial. The trial itself slated to start tomorrow.
And all of the major players in that trial have now left Fort Wayne, where jury selection was conducted. And that includes Richard Allen, who you see here. He is the man accused of killing Abby Williams and Libby German. CBS 4's Russ McQuaid was in Fort Wayne this morning before the trial shifted to Delphi this afternoon.
The jury of 8 women and 4 men plus 4 alternates came from about 2 hours east of here. That would be in Fort Wayne because of the fear that if you picked a jury any closer to Delphi, they would already have their minds made up about the guilt or innocence of Richard Allen. Meanwhile, after the jury was sworn in, Judge Fran Gull heard motions on evidence and witnesses that could very well make a big difference in the fate of the man from this town accused of those 2 murders. Carroll County Prosecutor Nicholas McLeland is pushing hard to keep a key piece of the Indiana State Police investigation out of the jurors' hands. Over the course of 2 years, 2 women described to an Indiana State Police sketch artist 2 men they say they saw on the Monon High Bridge the day Abby and Libby were killed. State Police Superintendent Doug Carter felt so strongly about one of those sketches in 2019, he said.
The result of the new information and intelligence over time leads us to believe the sketch, which you will see shortly, is the person responsible for the murders of these 2 little girls.
But the defense claims the sketches don't look like their client, and they want to show that discrepancy to the jury. McLeland argues the sketches were never meant to represent Allen, and to show them in court would just confuse the jurors. Judge Fran Gull said she will take that argument under advisement, as she will a defense attempt to bring forth a firearms examiner, who the attorneys say will cast doubt on state police claims that a bullet found at the scene will match a gun found in Allen's house 2 years ago. The judge did rule that once the prosecution introduces audio tapes and testimony from Allen's reported 60-plus confessions to the murders, she will let jurors hear the accounts of prison guards and inmates who can testify to Allen's behavior over the last 2 years. He's been locked up in state prisons and county jails awaiting trial, while the defense will bring forth prison psychiatrists who will testify that Allen suffered a mental health meltdown in solitary confinement. Meanwhile, Allen's attorneys have withdrawn their request to have the jury visit the crime scene. We'll be back in this courtroom at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. The judge will issue her decisions on those motions, and then we will hear opening statements and the first witnesses in the trial of Richard Allen. In Delphi, Russ McQuaid, CBS 4 News.